Hey, what's up everybody? It's Kelly K, and today I just want to come with a word of encouragement for somebody. Have you been feeling like God has called you to do something, but you just don't see it happening? Like it seems so far off that you don't ever know how you're going to get there. Like you just keep working and trying, but it seems like you're never gaining any ground. Well, I want you to know today that God still honors his promises. And if he told you he's going to do it, or he told you that this is where you're going to be, it's going to happen. It just doesn't always happen as soon as we want. You see, I myself have been getting discouraged in this area. I know that there's something that God's called me to do, and there's a passion in my heart to want to do it, but I don't see it happening around me. But then last night I was reading in 1 Samuel, where David was constantly having to hide from King Saul. You see, God told David he was going to be king, but it didn't happen right away. You see, Saul was David's father-in-law, but he wanted to kill him. And David was out running, hiding in different caves and in different places. And where I was reading last night, David was hiding in this town and he heard that Saul was coming to get him. And he prayed, God, is Saul really coming to get me? And God said, yeah, he is. And then he said, what about this city? Are these people going to turn on me? And God said, yeah, they are. Sometimes when we pray, we don't always get the answer we want. You see, God could have said, yeah, Saul's on his way, but I got it taken care of. Don't worry about it. I told you you're going to be king. You're going to be king. But he didn't do that. You see, once God gives you a vision and he makes you a promise, you have to know that he's going to complete it. You have to know that he who began a good thing will see it through to the day of completion. You see, when David prayed that prayer, God just said, yeah, he's coming. Yeah, they're going to turn against you. He didn't affirm that he was going to be king. He just affirmed that the bad things are going to happen. From when David was told he would be king to it actually happening, took 15 years. Now, I'm not saying it's going to take 15 years to get your promise, but sometimes you have to wait. So what I want to tell you today is don't stop believing. No, that's a journey. If God made you a promise, he's going to fulfill it. So for those of you that are trying and you don't seem to be getting anywhere, this is for you, and I want you to know that God has never failed anybody. He's not going to start today with you. I love you guys. Be blessed. I'm blessed. My name is Kelly K. Until next time, we'll see you later.